Alright, here is a Hunter Studio series in white and brass. I got this off of OfferUp at the very beginning of the year. It is from the first quarter of 1997. And as you can see, it's got a fancy looking forearm light kit, which I do like. I was actually thinking of putting this somewhere, like in the spare bedroom or office, but unfortunately we can't really do that at the moment. So for now, this fan's gonna be here. The only issue with this fan is that it makes a little scraping noise, which I'll show you when I run this fan. I'm thinking what's causing the scraping noise is the screws that are holding the mounting bracket, not the mounting bracket, the canopy. But yeah, before I turn this fan on, I'm gonna give you a few shots of it. Alright, now that that's over with, let's get to turning the fan on. Or, well, not yet. First I gotta demonstrate the light. And there's the scraping noise that I told you about. I'm not sure if you can hear that. Alright, now here's low. Oh, and what I forgot to mention, which is something that I keep doing in these videos, is that the pull chains are not original. Those are from the Harbor Breeze Breezeway. So yeah, on low the scraping noise isn't really that audible because this fan doesn't really wobble that bad on low. But the scraping noise will get more audible on the higher speeds. And speaking of the higher speeds, let's turn it up to medium. Yep, there's the scraping noise. I think this fan probably wobbles worse on medium, because the scraping noise is, my god, that is so annoying. Alright, now let's turn to high. Blows a very good amount of air. Alright, that's starting to annoy me, so I'm gonna turn that off. Alright, and there you have it. That is my Hunter Studio series, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.